Peppermill Hotel in Wendover, Nevada. Staying in room 3529. Door reader's a bit slow, but the room is pretty nice. When the door closes here, you can look at the map. There's the Peppermill. And I think our room is that one. Looks like there's pretty big towers. One over there, one over there, one over there. I have to try to find them all. Alright, so you come in on the right, you'll see the bathroom. Granite flooring. I mean marble. Handle looks a little old, but other than that, got your granite counter. Why is that always the wrong way? Mirrors and your lights. Pretty big mirror. Turn on the sink. Maybe. Maybe. That is the hardest sink. Oh. I am dumb. Every time I see these sinks, these normally pull up these handles that look like this. Usually you have to pick them up. I'm used to doing that. Okay, I'm really stupid. I'm sorry. Got a hairdryer and some cups. It kind of just tells you that it's 1 in the morning and I'm really tired, actually. Got a toilet here, and I missed the towels right above it. Flush. Yeah, pretty good toilet. Nice glass shower with marble walls and, well, turn it on. Am I dumb again, or am I just... now that one you do pull out. This place is playing tricks on me. Well, the shower works. Got your ironing board and your iron up there. Come in here and got some pictures on the wall. Your 2 queen beds, digital thermostat, and more pictures. We'll look in the cabinet. The Bible. Stuff. I mean, nothing. Oh, 11:28. I must still be on some other time zone then. Either that or... well, I don't even know at this point. Working fridge, I think. Yep, very working. Coffee maker, Keurig machine. Another cabinet here. These like blend in. This is actually kind of trippy to look at, to be honest. I don't think there's anything in any of these. Usually there's not. Nope. Nice TV. Samsung. Little mirror over here. I will say this is not quite as fancy as Montego Bay's. And it lights up too. And it dims. Not quite as fancy as Montego Bay's stuff, but still pretty good. There's our view. Look like a roof, but disappointing. A lamp. This is one of the only lamps I don't know how to turn it on. Air conditioning unit is controlled by the wall over there. But honestly, that's pretty much it. When it comes to this room, actually, this is it. So, because it's a casino hotel, I also cannot tour the amenities, or I don't want to. It's kind of risky, so that's a big nope on leaving the room because the keys right there. Good thing I always check. All right, and that's it.